everyone. Thank you for the time that you given to me. My name is Martina Rika, number 2 from 4D Tourism Business Management. In this occasion, I'm going to make a beverage, namely is Blue Ocean Ice. This recipe is very easy to make and the ingredients are also easy to find. Let's start now. First, we start prepare the ingredients. This is orange cereal. You can choose another flavors like pineapple or mango. Next, there are basil seeds, blue soda. Here I use Bicola brand. And next, ice cubes. For the equipment, there are tablespoons, straw, and glass. Next, prepare a glass. Pour 2 tablespoons of orange syrup. Next, put the ice cubes in the glass to the brim. And then put the basil seeds 1 tablespoon. Alright everyone, slowly pour the blue soda. Alright. Blue Ocean Ice is ready to drink. And the way of serving, you can use the straw. That's all the recipe of Blue Ocean Ice, and you can try it at your home. And hopefully this video is useful for us. Thank you and have a nice day.